Is the name of your ATM business really that important? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Why do you want a profitable ATM business? Well, it's because it's going to provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why do you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's going to be different for everybody. But a lot of folks that come to this channel and consume these videos want to quit their jobs. They don't want to have a 9-to-5 job anymore, right? They want to take back their time, take back their freedom, okay? Then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe they were not very good with planning for retirement, and this is their retirement, right? They need this cash flow, all right? And then you have the people that are tired of putting out a huge investment of their dollars to make a decent ROI. And instead they want to put out a chunk of their investments, of their money to make a decent ROI, okay? Then you got the folks that are looking for legacy wealth, generational wealth, for their kids, grandkids, great-grandkids, all right? And then you got people that, want passive income and big chunks of cash just because they want it, or for a reason that, we don't know because it's personal to them, right? You might check off multiple boxes and that's cool. But here's the thing. If you would like me to help you start your own ATM business and reach your ultimate goal that you have faster, right? If you want me to help you reach it faster, then I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description below. You're going to enter your email. On the next page, you're going to watch a training video. It's like 30 minutes. It's less than 30 minutes. And then you're going to book a call with my team, all right? Together, you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together, okay? And the reason I was giggling was because it's been a while since I've made some videos because I've been out of the loop, been sick and all kinds of stuff. Not sick, but pain and whatnot. But it took me 3 times to start this video. I kept messing up, so it just made me chuckle. I thought I was going to mess up again. Anyways. So, all right, let's get into this. So, is the name of your business really important? And here's a big thing. Some of you may not have started an ATM business. Like you're like, you know what? I'm not even going to start an ATM business. I'm not even going to think about it until I come up with a name. Right? That could be a possibility for some of you. So some of you, when I say, why haven't you started an ATM business yet? It might be like, well, because I can't think of a name for my business. That's realistic for some of you. Okay? Here's the thing. Somebody asked me, is the name of your ATM business really that important? The answer is no. No, it's not. It's not that important, right? So do not start an ATM business because you don't have a name yet, okay? Seriously, don't not start it because you don't have a name yet. And you're like, Carey, what are you talking about? Well, you could research, you can get a mentor, you could go through the training, you can do there's so many things that you can do for your ATM business and for you, for your education, right? Before having a name for your ATM business, right? Like you literally don't need that name, to actually say, hey, I'm going to start an ATM business and I'm going to start learning and I'm going to get a mentor and a coach, right? And I'm going to start, going through the training and being on the coaching calls, right? You don't need a name for your ATM business to do that, okay? You don't need a name for your ATM business to go talk to banks. You do not need a name for your ATM business to talk to banks. To get a bank account, yes, but you do not need a name to talk to banks, okay? You do not need a name for your ATM business to do most things, okay? Now, to cement the deal, to fill out contracts, to, set up your processing and all that, of course you need a name for your ATM business. But there's so much that you can do before you even have a name. So that's number 1, right? So please do not be not starting an ATM business because you don't have a name for your ATM business. Like, that's just silly. That's silliness, okay? I hope you understand that, okay? And then, number 2, the actual name is really nothing important. This is what I tell my students sometimes, because sometimes I'll post in the student-only Facebook group, I'm having trouble thinking of a name. That is like the least important thing in your ATM business, right? Don't worry about it. Just come up with anything, all right? Call it ABC ATMs. It doesn't even matter, right? I mean, you got to make sure that ABC ATMs is already taken, all that stuff. But it doesn't matter, right? And if at some point, you're just like, screw it, and you name yourself ABC ATMs, right? And then down the line, you're like, man, God, I really wish my name was XYZ ATMs. But I named myself ABC ATMs. Well, you can do a DBA, doing business as, so ABC ATMs doing business as XYZ ATMs, right? It's not a big deal. And you can always, if you really wanted to, dissolve one LLC, start another one, that's not a big deal, right? Having a name, right, and the perfect name should not stop you from collecting passive income, depositing passive income into your bank account, from collecting big chunks of cash and putting that in your bank account, right? The name is not that important, I promise you, okay? And then on another side note here, you'll have some people out there, gurus and other people say, don't use ATM in the name of your ATM business. It's the worst thing you can do. You'll never get your bank account opened. That, my friends, is bullshit, okay? I've had ATM in my ATM business the entire time I've been in the ATM business since 2009, right? And you might be thinking, oh, but Carey, they weren't that bad with opening ATM accounts in 2009. And you would be right, my friend. However, my wife and I moved to the beach in 2019. And the bank account that we were using, the bank that we're using, is not down here. So we had to find a new bank, right? So I was like all these people that say, oh my God, it's so hard to get a bank account. I mean, I wasn't like that. I wasn't saying that because I know better, right? But 2019, I did find a new bank account. And guess what? The name ATM is still in my business. It's never left the name of my business, right? You can open a bank account with the word ATM in your ATM business name, okay? As long as it's a bank account, a bank that allows the ATM business, right? And you know what? I'm gonna post a video right here, or maybe it's right here. Maybelle, she'll know where, she'll put the right video up here, but it's gonna be the top 3 banks that I recommend to use for the ATM business, okay? These are gonna be probably mostly on the East Coast, and I don't know where else they are. But I'll make you know what? I'll make a separate video for you West Coasters. How about that? I'll give you my 3 favorite ones for them too. That'll be coming up. But 2019, we had to get a new bank account, and ATM is still in our ATM business name, okay? So it's not that important, okay? It should not stop you from starting an ATM business. You can have ATM in your name if you want, right? Some folks like to have like a vending type of name in case they want to, move to like vending machines. Not move to it, but add that to them, Some folks just want like a little more generic name, so I guess they can add a bunch of stuff if they want. And some folks just want ATMs in their name, so you can, whatever you want. But the main point that I need you to understand is it's not really that important. It really isn't, right? Just like I tell my students, they're like, oh my God, I can't talk to business owners because I don't have business cards with my name on them yet. What are you talking about? Of course you can. You don't need a business card to be in business, right? So it's kind of the same concept. So I make them go out there and talk to business owners, even though they don't have business cards. I went 5 years without business cards in the business, right? You don't need business cards. So yes, the name is not that important. If you got any, you know what I just realized I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to type, please like this video. Please like this video. And then in that corner, or it could be in that corner. I'm not really sure what corner it is because I'm downstairs instead of in my office, but there's a little ATM in the corner. Please click that and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. I totally forgot to do that. Totally forgot to do that. And you guys did not remind me. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. All right, so listen, seriously. ATM business, the name, not really that important. Obviously, you need it to do certain things, obviously, to be officially in the business, but you don't need it to get going and get ramped up and do a lot of things, okay? So don't let that stop you from starting an ATM business. All right, any questions about this or maybe ideas about future videos, post them below. And of course, if you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, just click the link in the description below. All right, click the link, enter your email address on that next page. There's a training video, watch that, and then book a call with my team. Together, you and my team will figure out if you and I will be a fit together. All right? Excuse me, it's from the iced tea. And again, give me a thumbs up for this video. Like this video. Click that ATM that's either right there or right there in the corner. Silver ATM. Click it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. Select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. All right. Carey Buck signing off now. Have a great day. I will talk to you soon. And may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification, select always